Samhitopanishad Brahmana, unveiling the hidden wisdom and spiritual insights of the Samveda. The Samhitopanishad Brahmana, a captivating section of the Samveda, offers a bridge between rituals and profound spiritual wisdom. This article delves into the essence of the Samhitopanishad Brahmana, exploring its composition, ritualistic significance, allegorical interpretations, and its enduring relevance in guiding seekers towards a deeper understanding of the interplay between the material and spiritual realms. Brief overview. Nestled within the verses of the Samveda, the Samhitopanishad Brahmana beckons seekers to explore the symbiotic relationship between rituals and spiritual realization. This collection of texts transcends the confines of rituals, inviting individuals to delve into the deeper connections between their actions and the cosmic order. Composition and structure. The Samhitopanishad Brahmana, also known as the Samhitopanishad Upanishad, is divided into chapters that delve into rituals and their esoteric meanings. The term Samhitopanishad signifies the essence or hidden wisdom within the Samhitas, underlining the deeper insights these chapters offer. Ritualistic significance. Central to the Samhitopanishad Brahmana is its exploration of rituals, describing their procedures, mantras, and symbolic actions. These rituals serve as conduits for connecting with divine energies and aligning individuals with the cosmic rhythm, fostering a sense of harmony between microcosm and macrocosm. Symbolism and allegorical interpretations. Beyond the surface layer of rituals, the Samhitopanishad Brahmana unravels their symbolic depths. Rituals are seen as reflections of cosmic processes, and symbolic actions unveil profound spiritual truths. This allegorical approach transforms rituals into potent tools for personal growth and self-realization. Spiritual insights and philosophical contemplations. Interwoven with rituals and symbolism are philosophical reflections that broaden the understanding of the spiritual dimensions. The Brahmana contemplates the nature of existence, the interconnectedness of all life forms, and the path to self-discovery. These contemplations provide insights into the interconnected nature of the cosmos. Harmony between material and spiritual realms. The Samhitopanishad Brahmana emphasizes the theme of harmony between the material and spiritual realms. By engaging in rituals with a deeper understanding of their symbolic significance, individuals harmonize their actions with the cosmic rhythms, fostering a sense of unity with the universe. Enduring relevance. In the contemporary world, the teachings of the Samhitopanishad Brahmana continue to be relevant. Its emphasis on the interplay between rituals, symbolism, and philosophical contemplation offers a holistic approach to spiritual exploration. It invites individuals to bridge the gap between the tangible and the intangible, nurturing a profound connection to both the ritualistic practices and the profound metaphysical dimensions. Conclusion. The Samhitopanishad Brahmana stands as a testament to the profound integration of rituals and spiritual insights within the Samveda. By immersing ourselves in its verses, rituals, and contemplative practices, we embark on a transformative journey. The Brahmana invites us to delve into the hidden layers of meaning within rituals, bridging the gap between the external and internal, and ultimately guiding us towards a harmonious existence resonating with the cosmic symphony of the universe.